about one of the most beautiful days I had in months. Where I could ride and all that stuff. Had a chance to get out. Hadn't cleaned her. It's about time to change the oil on her and all that stuff. Oh, I bought new spark plugs for her. And I'm waiting for my oil to come in. I use Multo, the 300V 4T oil. It seems to love it. It's a little expensive, but hey, really there's nothing on this bike that's cheap except the steering damper. But it works. I like it. Thing right here only cost me $68. Love it. Helps out a lot, and it matches. Levers, they cost me, I think, $18. That was cheap too. But hey, they work. You know, the funny thing is, they work just as good as my Vortex. They work just as good as my Pezos on my R1, my CRGs on my 2006. So I didn't see the point of spending all that money for something that has a general purpose. But I did get the Vortex gas cap. Debating on if I should put more carbon fiber on it or just go ahead and get my tail for it, the 6-inch over. I got curved arrows coming in for it. I went gold. I was going to do a different color, but I just went on with the safe gold. This is the first ride since I put it back together after I was working on it. As you see, I changed the stator cover and the engine cover, put new clutches in it, put the small block offs on it. It's got a couple new things. But I've been holding off putting new tires on it until I was able to get my Curzers in. These are gonna be my street tires. My Curzers is gonna be when I want to get out and play with the rest of the boys at the track, or we got some interstate pulls that we're gonna do. But as you know, people keep asking me what size tires I run. They're 180, they're 90, 80, 17s, and then I run Shinko hookups for the street, and they're 190, 50, 17s. They're ZR rated. So, but she's been on the charger for about 3 months. No action, so I decided I'd take her out. I guess I go wipe her down and all that stuff. I spur her off and then I'll just wipe her down. Well, you was watching this and you watched the whole video. Thank you. One thing is, I was probably gonna do once if I ever get up to 1,000 subscribers, do a little small giveaway of some merchandise. So if you got friends that got Zx14s and like hearing about Zx14s and stuff like that, please tell them about it. Again,